the tool guy here for bathroom update. I've been working a lot, so I haven't really been filming any of what I've been doing. But before I cover anything up, I'm going to show what I've done. So here we are in, I got a big shadow there. The bathtub. Well, I don't know if I've shown I think I showed the flooring. But now I have a wall, little half wall, to frame out my 60-inch bathtub. The bathtub is in place with concrete. Well, actually, underneath that is supporting the bathtub. I've had the plumbers out and they have installed my plumbing. So it's all drained. Drain is good to go. Water is good to go. And tub spout, diverter, shower head. I have framed in blocks here for the on this side for the shower rod. Another thing I had to do was I had to shim out these three studs, these three middle studs in the bathtub area. This wall was bowed in a little bit, so I had to shim them out. So they're shimmed. This wall was not square either, so I ended up having to shim a little here, a little bit more here, and then in order to keep it going, I had to shim the rest of the wall too. So that's all 1/4 inch. I built out from this corner to 1/4 inch and then 1/4 inch the rest of the way. I ended up taking down all the lath here and replacing the boards. What there was supporting the plaster before was these 3/4 inch boards, 1, 2, 3, and that's what they put. And I'm like, I can't attach my sheetrock to that. So I actually came out a little bit further too, because when my plumbers came and plumbed in my my drain, they put it a little too far from the wall. So now we're pretty good length from the wall. It is going to be right at, let's see, we're at 13 now. 12 3/4, 1/2 inch drywall, so 12 1/4. So we're just 1/4 inch, a little further away, but that's perfect. Better to be too far away than too close. So that was fun, trying to get all those studs in. Construction adhesive to hold them in place. These I actually got long screws and drilled and attached them to this stud here. It also has construction adhesive. It's not going anywhere. We have plumbing for the sink as well. Insulation. I guess that may be new. Insulation around the window as well. So here we are. I am ready to install my backer board. That is going to go up next. And so backer board, then sheetrock the whole area, and it's going to start looking more like a bathroom. So still a lot of work ahead of me for this bathroom, but it's coming right along. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.